Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss Lily English, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and full of laughter. I'm Lily, your host, and I am so happy to see you all here today.
Hello, Lily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm Jason, co-host here at Ms. Lily English, and I have to say, it's such a beautiful day to spend with all of you.
It really is, Jason. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, and I'm feeling fantastic. How about you today?
I'm feeling great too, thank you. Actually, I'm a little excited.
Excited. That's such a nice feeling. Tell me, why are you excited?
Well, this weekend, I'm hosting a party at my house.
A party? Wow, that sounds super fun. Is it a birthday party?
No, not a birthday, just a dinner party with friends. I invited some friends over. We'll eat pizza and listen to music.
Pizza and music? That's the dream combo. Pizza parties are always the best.
Yes, they really are. But, Lily, I have to admit, I'm also a little nervous.
Nervous? Why? You love your friends, don't you?
I do, but I want to be a good host. I want everyone to feel happy and comfortable.
Ah, I understand. Being a good host is important. You want your guests to have a great time.
Exactly. And sometimes I don't know the best English words to use. When they arrive at the door, what should I say?
That is the perfect topic for today, Jason. We can go over all the best phrases to use when welcoming guests to your home.
Yes, that's exactly what I need. Please help me, Lily.
Of course, we'll talk about everything from greeting your friends at the door, offering drinks, to introducing them to each other. By the end, you'll feel ready for any party.
Perfect. I'm ready to learn.
But first, a small request for our listeners. If you enjoy this episode, please hit the like button. It really helps us reach more English learners around the world.
And don't forget to subscribe to Ms. Lily English so you can join us every week for fun and practical English tips.
Maybe even share this episode with a friend who's planning a party. You could be the hero who helps them host in English.
Absolutely. Okay, Lily, let's start. Imagine it's Saturday night.
Saturday night, got it. I'm wearing a nice shirt and I have the pizza ready.
Good. Now, the doorbell rings. Ding dong.
Oh, they're here. I go to open the door.
The first moment is very important. You need a big smile.
A big smile. Smiles brightly.
Then you say, "Hello, I'm so glad you could come."
I'm so glad you could come. That sounds so warm and friendly.
It is. Much better than just saying, "Hi," which is a little boring.
Exactly. Or you can say, it's so good to see you.
Perfect for close friends.
Now, the guest is at the door. You want them inside.
Yes, you don't want them standing on the street. You can say, "Please come in."
Please come in. Simple.
To be extra friendly, say, "Come on in."
Come on in. That sounds casual and very welcoming. Come on in, Tom.
It makes people feel relaxed. Guests usually bring things like coats or umbrellas.
Right. A polite host asks, may I take your coat?
"May I take your coat?" That's very polite.
Or, casually, let me take your coat for you.
"Let me take your coat for you."
Okay, then what do I do with it?
Hang it nicely in the closet. Don't just throw it on the sofa.
Got it. Closet it is.
Now, about shoes. Some guests wear shoes inside, some don't.
How do I ask politely for them to take off their shoes?
You can say, "Would you mind taking off your shoes?"
Would you mind taking off your shoes? Gentle and friendly. I like it.
Or explain your house rule. "We usually leave our shoes by the door."
We usually leave our shoes by the door. Nice and clear.
If you don't mind, just say, "You can leave your shoes on."
You can leave your shoes on. Easy.
Now, the guest is inside. Coat hung, shoes taken care of. What's next?
Do I show them the pizza?
Not yet. You're very hungry today, aren't you?
Yes, pizza is calling me.
First, offer a drink. Very important.
A drink. Can I get you water?
That's okay, but better, Can I get you something to drink?
Can I get you something to drink? Great. Open question.
Or list options. Can I get you some water, juice, or soda?
Can I get you some water, juice, or maybe tea?
Tea or coffee works too.
What if I'm busy in the kitchen and can't pour drinks?
Then tell them to serve themselves. Please help yourself to a drink.
Please help yourself. Friendly and clear.
It makes guests feel at home. Drinks are on the table.
Wonderful. Now they have a drink. Sometimes guests need the bathroom.
Yes, but they might be shy to ask.
Ah, a smart host tells them beforehand.
Exactly. You can say, "Let me show you around."
Let me show you around, like a mini tour.
You point. The kitchen is here and the bathroom is down the hall on the left.
The bathroom is down the hall on the left. That's very helpful.
Now, this is a dinner party with friends from work and the gym.
Do your friends know each other?
No, Tom from work doesn't know Sarah from the gym.
So you're the introducer.
Big responsibility.
Introducer. Easy, right?
Just introduce them. Tom, I'd like you to meet Sarah.
Tom, I'd like you to meet Sarah.
Or, casually, Tom, have you met Sarah?
Tom, have you met Sarah? Then Sarah, this is Tom. He works with me.
Sarah, this is Tom. He works with me.
And give them a topic. Maybe pizza, the weather, or something they both like.
Tom, Sarah loves pizza too.
Or tennis. Find a connection, then leave them to talk.
That's a great tip. Connect them naturally.
Yes, now let's talk about the vibe in the room. Music, lights, temperature.
I have a jazz playlist ready.
Lovely. When guests arrive, you can say, "Please make yourself at home."
Make yourself at home. That means relax. Don't be formal.
Exactly. Sit on the sofa. Be happy.
Make yourself at home. I'll say it loud.
Maybe gentle. Don't scare them.
Make yourself at home. And tell them where to sit. Please have a seat in the living room.
Have a seat. Much better than sit down, which sounds like an order.
Got it. So let's review. Doorbell rings. I open. Big smile. I'm so glad you could come.
Excellent. Coat. Let me take your coat for you.
Perfect. Drink. Can I get you something to drink? Or, please help yourself.
Wonderful. Introductions. Tom, have you met Sarah? Sarah loves pizza too.
And finally, make yourself at home. I feel ready. I'm going to be a fantastic host.
Now that your guests are inside, Jason, let's make sure they feel completely at home.
Yes, Lily. Coats hung, drinks are served. What's next?
Introductions. You have some friends from work and some from the gym. Do they know each other?
Not at all. Tom from work doesn't know Sarah from the gym.
Perfect. Then you're the introducer. Don't let them stand silently. That's party disaster number 1.
Introducer. I like that title. Big responsibility.
Easy. Just say, "Tom, I'd like you to meet Sarah."
Tom, I'd like to meet Sarah.
Or, casually, "Tom, have you met Sarah?"
Tom, have you met Sarah?
Then, "Sarah, this is Tom. He works with me."
Sarah, this is Tom. He works with me.
And then, give them a little topic to start talking about. For example, "Tom, Sarah loves pizza too."
Ah, pizza again. Everything comes back to pizza, doesn't it?
Of course. Pizza brings people together. Or you can mention tennis, movies, anything they have in common.
I see. So the key is finding a connection.
Exactly. You start the conversation, then step back and let them chat.
That's smart. Silence is bad at parties, right?
Very bad. Silence equals awkward. Now let's talk about the vibe of the room. Music, lights, temperature. These little things matter.
I have set up a jazz playlist.
Lovely. And when they arrive, you can say, "Please make yourself at home."
Make yourself at home. That's famous.
Yes, it's the best thing a host can say. It means relax, don't be formal, enjoy yourself.
Make yourself at home. Got it.
And tell them where to sit. Please have a seat in the living room.
Have a seat. Much better than sit down, which sounds like an order.
Right. Words are important, Jason. The right words make your guests feel welcome.
Okay, so the plan is greet, smile, invite in, take coat, offer drink, introduce, suggest topics, set vibe.
Perfect. Now, let's go deeper into drinks. Sometimes guests might want something stronger, like juice or soda.
Or maybe tea or coffee, depending on their mood.
Exactly. And if you're busy in the kitchen, just tell them, please help yourself to a drink.
Help yourself. Friendly, casual. I like that.
Now, about the bathroom, guests might feel shy asking.
True. I don't want anyone standing there awkwardly looking for the bathroom.
So give them a mini tour. The kitchen is here, and the bathroom is down the hall on the left.
Simple and polite. They don't have to ask later.
That's right. And then you can start the food. Everyone loves pizza.
Pizza time, finally.
But remember, Jason, first let them settle with drinks and conversation.
Okay, drinks first, then pizza. Got it.
Now, what about when people want to move around or get comfortable?
I guess I should tell them, make yourself comfortable.
Exactly. Make yourself at home or make yourself comfortable. Both phrases make guests feel relaxed.
Make yourself comfortable. I like that. Sounds so friendly.
And if someone is shy, give them options. You can sit on the sofa or in the dining area.
Very thoughtful. I don't want anyone standing awkwardly.
Exactly. You're already a fantastic host in my book.
Thanks, Lily. Now, what about the mood of the room? Music, lights?
Yes, light jazz music in the background, not too loud. People want to chat. Temperature comfortable, maybe dim lights for a cozy vibe.
Cozy and fun. Got it.
And if you want, you can add little jokes or funny comments to make everyone laugh.
Like what?
Well, if someone looks at the pizza hungrily, you can say, "Careful, this pizza disappears fast."
Perfect. That will definitely make them laugh.
Humor is a secret weapon for hosts. It makes the atmosphere light and happy.
So funny comments, music, comfy seating. Got it.
Now, Jason, how about checking if everyone has what they need?
You mean like refilling drinks or asking if they want more food?
Exactly. You can say, "Can I get you another drink?" Or, "Do you want some more pizza?"
Can I get you another drink? Do you want some more pizza? Perfect. Simple and friendly.
And remember, always smile. People feel your happiness and energy.
I'll smile nonstop. Maybe I'll need muscles for that by the end of the night.
Don't overdo it, Jason. But yes, a genuine smile is key.
Now, what about the end of the party? How do I say goodbye properly?
Saying goodbye is just as important. Walk them to the door, get their coat, and say, "Thank you so much for coming. I had a great time. Get home safe."
Thank you so much for coming. I had a great time. Get home safe. Very caring.
Yes, it shows you care and you want them to be safe.
Perfect ending to the night. I have the whole evening planned, start to finish.
You do, Jason. You're going to be a wonderful host. And remember, a party is really about people. If you're kind and friendly, the words are easy.
Kindness makes everything simple. Beautiful.
And, of course, pizza helps too.
Absolutely. Lily, do you have any extra tips for the very end?
Just enjoy the moment. Laugh with your friends, take a deep breath, and maybe save a slice of pizza for yourself.
I'll definitely save a slice. And thank you all our listeners for joining us today at Miss Lily English. Do you like hosting parties or do you prefer to be the guest?
Being a guest is easier, right? You just eat.
True. But hosting is special. You create the memories.
Exactly. Please share in the comments your party experiences. How do you welcome guests in your country?
Yes, we love learning about different cultures, your words, your customs. It's fascinating.
And remember, kindness and a warm smile make all the difference. That's the secret to any successful party.
I feel ready for any party now. Thank you, Lily.
You're welcome, Jason. And thank you to all our listeners for tuning in to Miss Lily English today.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this episode with your friends.
Especially your party-loving friends.
Yes, your party friends. See you next time, everyone.
Have a fantastic week.
Bye, everyone. See you soon.